Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stepping by, you are most definitely welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is in partnership with lollyhair. They sent me their brown highlighted hair full frontal. I will link the information about the hair in my description box. I will let you guys just watch the video because already I have so many videos where I'm just like talking and rambling. So I'm just gonna let you guys just watch the video, and I will catch up with you guys later. I will tell you guys about how I feel about the hair later on the video.
Give you up, and when do I see myself every day, repeat itself. They say I'm out of my head, 'cause I keep telling myself one day you'll find me, and one day I'll find you, and we're off to what they call a good start. And then I wake up. Every single day just stays the same. Wake up, feel the emptiness of face. Wash away the pain and put some makeup on my face. Every single day just stays the same. I don't really care and it's a shame. I know I had it coming and I don't care to explain. Why should I ever stop, ever stop? Why should I give you up, and when do I see myself every day, repeat itself. They say I'm out of my head, 'cause I keep telling myself one day you'll find me, and one day I'll find you, and we're off to what they call a good start. And then I wake up. One day you'll find me, and one day I'll find you, and we're off to what they call. And then I'll wake up. Oh, we're living in the present, but our mind is in the past. Not knowing what we'll lose, don't know what will last. Yeah, the things you always dare to dream, oh, are not always what they seem. Close to total peace as the pain begins to ease. Not often we can see the beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it weighs a ton, but baby, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine.
Okay guys, so I will tell you about my experience about the hair. So the hair came in not plucked, so I had to pluck it myself. And also I had to like customize it, bleach the knots. Like really, I honestly like really don't like bleaching colored hair, bleaching the knots of colored hair, but I decided to bleach the knots of this hair. Honestly, I really didn't see any difference, but we move. And also, okay, fine, let's talk about how the hair was. So the hair was very silk smooth. I did apply a bit of silicone on the hair, and the hair was just amazing. It was so smooth and very easy to curl because I did curls on this hair. And also in terms of the hair breaking, I really did experience a bit of shedding on this hair, but it wasn't that much of shedding. What else, child? And also the cap was my size. The last time I collaborated with lollyhair, the hair that I got, if I'm not mistaken, I actually like got like a smaller size, if I'm not really like making a mistake. But with this one, it was okay on the corners. What else do I need to add on this hair? And also the shipment was just like less than 2 weeks. So if you are looking to buying like colored hair, you can check out lollyhair. They have amazing good quality hair colors. So yeah, that's all, child.
Sometimes there's attraction. It's hard to keep up with your passion. So cool down, my love, cool down, my love. Sometimes I wanna give all of me. Sometimes I wanna scream, oh my God, you got me. much trouble now, now. Sometimes I just wanna tell you to stop, so you don't go and break my heart. I'm so confused, babe, I just don't know.
So we have came to the end of this video. If you did enjoy this video, please do give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends. And also I just like how this hair actually like holds the curls. The curls actually lasted me for like the whole night because I went out after this. So yeah, if you did enjoy this video, please just do the things. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.